Hi guys, can you please stop watching your video for 5 to 10 seconds? Yes, I mean it, 5 to 10 seconds. Have you been trying to earn money online for the last few years and few months and have failed? There's nothing wrong in accepting that because in this industry, 95% people fail, only 5% people are making money online. Today, you are at the right place at the right time. Click that apply button now and we'll turn you into a super affiliate in precisely 12 minutes. It's all done for you. Before you go, let me recall the movie The Matrix. You have two options. The blue pill, be where you are, continue doing the same thing what you had been doing for the last so many years. Take the red pill, shift the paradigm, explore the abundance, write your own destiny. Future is yours. But whether the red pill or the blue pill, that choice is yours. Have a good day.